Good luck on your winner-take-all choices for the second set. Set to go. It's racing time. Ari Munding draws for your lead. Goldwater moving up down on the inside. Tagpuan racing in third, followed by Hardliner. Then by the realm moving up, Love Affair. King's Reward comes next. Then next in line, Dimakia Island, followed by Seni Seviorum. Then comes Creative, Iron Monk, and trailing the group is Sangat Island as they pass the half-mile pole. Goldwater, the favorite, enjoying a 3/4 of a length over Hardliner. Then Tagpuan moving up on the outside. Once again is Ari Munding. Love Affair in between runners as they race towards the 450. The favorite, Goldwater, over Ari Munding on the outside. Moving up in between runners, Tagpuan, Love Affair. Goldwater, Tagpuan, moving up in between runners, but it's still Goldwater. Tagpuan is on the outside second. Goldwater this time by about 2 lengths, and finally, Goldwater. Then comes Tagpuan, Ari Munding, King's Reward, Creative. Then comes Hardliner, Love Affair.